Stop. If you're thinking about buying KDPRobots, you absolutely need to watch this first. Because this AI tool claims it can automate content creation and digital publishing using bots. But the real question is, does it actually work, or is it just another overhyped SaaS platform? Let me show you exactly what happens inside the software. In this quick walkthrough, I'm going to show you the KDPRobots dashboard, how the automation works, and what you can actually do with the platform. If you decide to get KDPRobots through the link in the description, you'll also receive my exclusive bonus bundle. Bonus 1, the Bestseller Blueprint, a collection of done-for-you templates for fiction, non-fiction, cookbooks, children's books, and more. Bonus 2, Audiobook Voice Bundle, giving you access to 10 premium AI narration voices. So if you want to explore KDPRobots and see how automation can simplify your content workflow, click the link in the description below to learn more and unlock the bonuses. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.